I just wanted to do you a quick tutorial on ChatGPT and how it can help mortgage firms and advisors and IFAs with their marketing. ChatGPT has just gone through a load of updates recently, but one specifically that I'm going to show you now is their voice feature, which you can pull up on your phone and get the answers that you need in a conversational way. So I'm going to open it up now and start a new chat with it. You pull it up on your phone, you see that little waveform button there. So you hit that and it opens up a chat conversation. Good morning,
Hi there.
ChatGPT.
Good morning. How is your day starting off?
Yeah, not so bad, thank you. So basically, what I'm doing here is I'm just doing a bit of a video tutorial on how you can help mortgage firms and IFAs with their marketing. So I was just going to ask you a few questions around that, if that's okay.
Sounds great. Fire away with your questions and I'll help however I can.
Perfect. So first question really is, would you concur that lead generation is a kind of major part of a strategy that should be employed in terms of social media?
Absolutely. Lead generation is crucial for mortgage firms and IFAs. Social media offers a direct way to engage with potential clients, showcase expertise, and build trust. With the right strategy, you can attract quality leads who are genuinely interested in your services.
And would you suggest that defining a high net worth customer profile would be a good way to go for firms and advisors?
Definitely. Focusing on a high net worth customer profile can be very beneficial. These clients often require more complex and specialized financial advice, leading to larger transaction values and long term relationships. Tailoring your services to meet the unique needs of this niche can set you apart and drive significant growth.
And is defining a high net worth customer profile something that you can help firms and advisors with?
Yes, I can definitely help with that. We can work on identifying key characteristics, financial behaviors, and preferences of high net worth individuals. From there, we can craft marketing messages and strategies that resonate with this audience, helping mortgage firms and IFAs attract and retain high value clients.
Which of the platforms would you suggest would be a good place for firms and advisors to start in terms of generating high net worth customer profiles and appointments and clients?
For targeting high net worth individuals, LinkedIn is a strong choice. It's a professional network where you can connect directly with professionals, including business owners, executives, and other high net worth individuals. Facebook and Instagram can also be useful, especially for retargeting and running ads. But LinkedIn's professional environment is particularly effective for building relationships and establishing credibility in this niche.
And is there any specific tools or methods within LinkedIn that you'd suggest?
Absolutely. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is a powerful tool. It allows for advanced searches, helping you pinpoint high net worth individuals based on criteria like job title, company size, or industry. Regularly sharing valuable content tailored to your target audience is key. And of course, outreach through connection requests or in mails can open doors to valuable conversations.
And in terms of that content, is that something you can help with? And also, just to add to that, obviously, with it being financial services, we do have to adhere to the FCA's financial promotions guidelines in terms of risk warnings and just making sure we do everything in a compliant way. Is that something you can help with?
Yes, I can assist with content creation, ensuring it aligns with FCA guidelines. It's essential to provide value while being transparent and compliant. We can craft posts, articles, and other content that highlight your expertise, offer insights, and include the necessary disclaimers and risk warnings. This way, you can engage your audience effectively while staying within regulatory boundaries.
Okay, and would you say you mentioned there Facebook and Instagram in terms of the meta paid options, in terms of paid ads? Is that something that you'd suggest in terms of utilizing that kind of option?
Yes, Meta's paid advertising options on Facebook and Instagram can be very effective. They offer advanced targeting capabilities, allowing you to reach specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. For financial services, you can use these platforms to retarget website visitors, promote lead magnets, or share testimonials and success stories. It's a great way to increase your reach and generate leads, complementing your efforts on LinkedIn.
And would you say, see, with Meta ads, paid ads, would you suggest that a funnel would be a VSL funnel, for example, would be a good way to generate and warm up and pre-sell qualified leads?
Yes, a funnel with a video sales letter VSL can be highly effective for generating and warming up qualified leads. Here's how it works. First, attention grabbing ads. Use meta ads to drive traffic to your funnel, targeting your ideal audience with compelling visuals and messaging. Second, engaging VSL. The VSL educates viewers on a problem they face and presents your solution, building trust and demonstrating your expertise. Third, lead capture. Offer something valuable, like a consultation, in exchange for their contact information. Fourth, nurturing. Use email follow ups to nurture leads, providing more value and guiding them through the decision making process. This approach effectively pre sells your services, making prospects more likely to convert into clients.
And finally, last question is, would you suggest using a mentor to guide firms and advisors through this process would be beneficial for firms and advisors?
Absolutely. A mentor can provide invaluable guidance, helping you navigate challenges, avoid common pitfalls, and implement effective strategies. They bring experience and insights that can accelerate your growth. Whether it's refining your marketing approach, understanding regulatory requirements, or expanding your network, a mentor can be a valuable asset in your journey.
Thank you. Appreciate that. I think that's all the questions I've got for now. Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Good luck with your video tutorial.
Right. So that's just given us, like I say, just a bit of a conversational flow of answers to key questions. Obviously, you can ask it whatever you want and it's going to give you the answers. And then you can see that it gives you a full transcript of the conversation there as well in the text format. So you've got it all there as a record. But yeah, that's just one of the kind of ways that ChatGPT can help. There's a lot of ways it can help. But we go through it all in my programs. Obviously, I'm always looking at ChatGPT and all these updates and all this AI stuff, and we talk you through all that stuff of how it can help go from those key objectives, really defining out an audience, using LinkedIn or Facebook organically to generate business, and then going on to Facebook ads and funnels and things. But yeah, we kind of cover all of that stuff and all AI stuff that's prevalent in the market these days to help you buy back your time and generate qualified high net worth appointments consistently. So if anyone would like some more information on that, just give me a shout and I'm quite happy to help. Thank you very much.